Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft Bedrock Edition tutorial for NukkitX. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Starting out, you will need to install a plugin named Mob Plugin to NukkitX. You can use our easy-to-use plugin installer. To get there, go to the control panel, find the Files drop-down tab, then select Plugin List. On the plugin list page, near the upper left, you'll see Source. Change the source to NukkitX. Now, you can search for Mob Plugin, type the name of the plugin, and hit Enter. Click on the plugin name that appears. On the page for the plugin, click Install. After the plugin installs, go to the home page of the server and click Restart. Once the server is up, you can join the server and enjoy the mobs. Thanks for watching.